How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 keeps crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, close all the background apps like that. After close all the background apps, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and click on reset. Here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.